Back to Recycled and Saved. We just unloaded a 1985 250 ES Big Red. It's starting to get dark. We did have to jump start this to get it going, and it's 8 degrees in Wisconsin. I don't know if you can see my breath. So we had to dump some fuel in, get it going, and now it's got a stuck float, so it just dumps fuel when I turn the gas on to get it running. These all tend to be good runners, so I think you know what we've got there. Everything's tight, the brakes all work properly, controls all seem to work properly, seat's been patched up, underneath everything looks good. Everything's there. It was clearly a farm machine. It's been worked. Let us know what you need for yours, and hopefully we can help you. We've parted a couple of these. Make sure you subscribe down below. Check our eBay page. Let us know what you need for your 250 ES, other ATCs, other ATVs, or other bikes. Thanks for watching.